unboxing. I got it. Look what I got. If you sew, you know. If you sew, you know. Guggenheim. It is a pair of shears. Yes. Yes. Professional tailor scissors. If you sew and you don't know about this, let me tell you something. There's the caution. Extremely sharp blades. Okay? I'm just letting you know ahead of time. Let me tell you, when I saw the commercial for this, I knew I had to have it. Let's see if we can get it out of here. This is a really nice box. Too bad the post office messed it up a little bit right there. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, a message from the owners. We'd like to personally thank you for your supporting us through your purchase of this pair of scissors. We are a small but growing company, still working out a few kinks on our process. Should you be dissatisfied for any reason, we will make it right. If you have any concerns, if you have any constructive criticism, we'd also love to hear it as we strive to improve our products. Okay? And your contact for this order is Steve Hoffman or steve@guggenheim.com. Every message will be responded to within 24 hours. La-di-da-di-da, all of that. Okay, so now here's the scissors. And it has a cover on it. And it has a nice rubberized handle. Oh yeah, and it is an 8-inch blade. And when I saw the commercial, they sliced through 8 layers of wool. Let me see if I got something here. Let's see how that goes. Ha! You see that? Watch. Without flinching. Just like that. Nice clean edges. Let's see, do I have another something here? I don't, but these are not for cutting paper. They will be under lock and key. No, these are not sitting out around the house. Their signature name is on there. And yeah, they're not for sitting out for cutting paper. These are only for cutting fabric. You know how it goes, ladies and gentlemen, tailors and seamstress or sewists. So I'm gonna put them right back in the box just like that. And when I get ready to use them, I'm gonna let you know. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get yours. They were 50% off, so I paid $22.50. And I don't remember shipping. I may have paid some taxes, but yeah, get you a pair of these. Thanks for watching.